The third factor which affects climate of India is latitude. Now, what is latitude? The lines, imaginary lines which runs in east-west direction are called as latitudes. India is located at 8 degree away from equator, that is 8 degree north. This is the location of India. If equator is here, then India is 8 degree above the equator. And also Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 degree 30 minutes north, also passes through the center of the country. Now you all have studied about heat zones. I hope you all remember the portion which is between 0 degree equator and Tropic of Cancer. This portion of the earth is very hot and this portion receives direct sun rays and it is called as torrid zone. Okay, so from 0 degree equator to Tropic of Cancer is torrid zone. From Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle is a temperate zone in area. Now, this is Tropic of Cancer. So you can say that India lies half in torrid zone and half in temperate zone. Okay, because from 0 degree equator to Tropic of Cancer is torrid zone. This area receives direct sun rays and it's very hot region. Okay, this is a direct sun rays area and this is neither too hot nor too cold. So this portion is neither too hot nor too cold. You will say that ma'am, there is a Rajasthan here which is very hot, there is Ladakh here which is very cold. Rajasthan is affected by another factor, that is presence of sand, and Ladakh is affected by another factor which is relief that we are going to study next. So sometimes one factor doesn't affect the climate of area, it is sum total of lot of factors. So this is one of the factors, latitude, which affects the climate of India. Okay, so climate of India is divided into two zones, torrid and temperate. As a result, southern part of India is more hot as compared to northern part of India. Now, varied relief. This is the factor which will be affecting Rajasthan and other areas. You will see that India has mountains. India has very high mountains somewhere and India has somewhere low mountains also. India has hills and India has a desert. India has plain area. This is a plain area. This is also eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. India has a plateau in the center. Because of variety of relief, India has variety of climate. If you remember in class 9, you have studied when we go high from the surface, from the plain area, temperature decreases with increase in height. So as you go high, temperature drops. As a result, the low-lying areas will always have high temperature while mountains will have cold temperature. If there is a question why Ladakh has cold temperature, you will say because temperature decreases with increase in height. And what is the rate? If you remember from class 9, temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius after every 165 meters. So you climb 165 meter, temperature will drop down to 1 degree Celsius. And you climb further 165 meters, temperature will further drop down. Like this, temperature keeps decreasing as the height keeps increasing. So that is why mountains are cold as compared to the plains. This is varied relief as well as altitude. Both the factors are almost same. Now coming to the next factor, effect of seas. You see, India is called as a peninsula because India is surrounded by water on three sides. There is Bay of Bengal here. This is one water body. This is Indian Ocean, that is second water body, and this is Arabian Sea, which is the third water body. So India is called as a peninsula because it is surrounded by water on three sides. Now, what is its impact on Indian climate? The portion which is located near the sea will have sea breeze during the day. Sea breeze brings cool air from the sea to the coastal areas. People go sit nearby beaches because they feel this cool breeze coming from sea to land during the day. While at night, the heat of the land goes from land to sea. That is called as land breeze. So sea breeze and land breeze during the day, sea breeze during the night, land breeze. So this sea breeze and land breeze keeps the area moderate in temperature. All the coastal areas have maritime climate. Maritime climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Sometimes it becomes too moist, too humid, but it doesn't go beyond a particular temperature. While the coast in the places which are away from the sea are either very hot or very cold in summer season and winter season. For example, if you take here Delhi. Delhi will be very hot in summer season and will be very cold in winter season. So because it is not affected by the sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze brings cool air during the day, so people don't feel hot even if it's a summer season. During winter season, land breeze takes off the heat of the land to the sea. As a result, people again do not feel very hot. So temperature remains moderate throughout the year. In all coastal areas, they do not have a prominent winter season. So this is the effect of sea, which is your factor number 6 and factor number 9 in your book.